the same woman, Ray, asked, is metabolism linked to the length of gestation?
A good high thyroid metabolism, keeping your blood sugar steady, letting you keep the progesterone increasing, not letting the estrogen get out of proportion. Since estrogen dominance triggers cortisol production, cortisol triggers premature delivery. So you want to keep your sugar intake high enough that your cortisol doesn't tend to rise, terminating the pregnancy.
Okay, great. And is that because in general sugar can help?
The sugar is the primary limiting factor for brain growth. In chickens, for example, have very small brains. The egg holds only a certain amount of glucose, and some of the protein can break down to make glucose, but an egg is a closed world, and the brain is known to stop developing when the glucose present in the egg is used up. But experimenters made a hole in the egg, and then at the day that they knew that the glucose was reaching zero, they injected either glucose or amino acids that could be turned into glucose. And they found that the chicken's brain kept developing for the rest of its gestational period, producing chickens with bigger brains than had ever happened naturally. So the amount of brain development in the case of a chicken isn't developmental, it's environmental, that the egg just didn't hold enough glucose to finish making a smart chicken. And if your glucose is limited after the 6 months of pregnancy, the brain stops developing. In the 50s, experiments were done on dogs and other animals, and they found that if they gave a little bit of insulin, lowering the mother's blood sugar, the cell division in the fetus's brain came to a stop.
Wow.
If they added estrogen, same thing happened. Blood sugar dipped, the brain stopped growing.